Hello everyone, this is Dr.Syamala Devi, Department of MBA, International Business Management Studies, Acharya Nagarjuna University. Today I am going to take class regarding concept of management. So what is a management? Uh, what are the levels of management? What is an organization? Who is a manager? What is the role of manager? All these aspects will be studied in this class. Now coming to introduction to the management or the meaning of a management. Management is a universal process in all organized social and economic activities. Wherever there is human activity, there is management. In our real life, we see that every activity we undertake involves an element that ensures coordination and cohesiveness to the activity, which our acts would be unproductive and ineffective. In any collective human effort, management is a distinct activity. Means every organization, whether business, social, religious, or political, it is basically a group of people formed to achieve some common objectives. Similarly, a business organization too is a group of people working together to achieve common goals or objectives. And in our real life also, any activity, if we undertake, it involves an element that ensures coordination and cohesiveness to the activity. Cohesiveness is nothing but compatible, symmetrical, or matching. So, coordination and cohesiveness to the activity, without which our acts would be unproductive and ineffective. So, in order to perform any activity, there should be a coordination and a cohesiveness in order to get a productive results. So management means it is a universal process in all organized social and economic activities. And coming to the definition, what does definition means? According to Harold Kuhn's, management is the art of getting things done through and with people in formally organized groups. Means management is nothing but getting things done through people with people. Informally organized groups means formally means uh, in an organization which is in a formal way, which is in a legal way, which is according to the rules and regulations in the organization. So that is known as formally organized groups. Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the resources of an organization in the efficient and effective pursuit of specified organizational goals. So, management means it is the art of getting things done from the people, and at the same time it is a process. Process means which involves step by step, that is planning, then organizing, leading, and controlling the resources of an organization. Without these process, we cannot achieve the productive results in the organization efficiently and effectively. Okay, so in the process of clarifying this definition, an analysis of the term efficient and effective would be appropriate. Means in the definition, uh, uh, effective, efficient, these two words used. So an efficient manager does things right. An effective manager does the right things. There is a difference between the efficient and effectiveness. Efficiency refers to how well something is done, and effectiveness refers to how useful something is. For example, a car is a very effective form of transportation, able to move people across long distances to specific places. Okay, but a car may not transport people efficiently because of how it uses fuel. Therefore, efficiency emphasizes on optimum utilization of resources which are divided into tangible and intangible resources. So, efficiency means, as we said before, doing things right, doing things in a proper way, right way. So in this, it involves optimum utilization of resources which are divided into tangible and intangible resources. Optimum utilization means the highest use of the utilization of the resources. So those resources can be divided into tangible and intangible resources. What are tangible and what are intangible means, tangible resources are those which are visible and intangible resources are which cannot be seen or feel. Okay, so this the tangible resources are, for example, land and buildings, machinery, etc. Coming to intangible resources, that means which we cannot see, means customer satisfaction, quality, etc. So all this comes under the efficiency. Efficiency is nothing but optimum utilization of the resources. Okay, now therefore efficiency emphasizes on means, resource usage and low wastage. Finally, we can conclude that efficiency means the means that it uses. The here means, means, means resources that we are used. So resources using means optimum utilization of resources. Efficiency means optimum utilization of resources. So optimum utilization of resources and low wastage of resources. Okay, that is known as efficiency. Coming to effectiveness, it emphasizes on end results with goal attainment. Efficiency is related to the using of resources, that is means with low wastage. Okay, and coming to effectiveness, effectiveness emphasizes on end results, that is at the end of the day the goal attainment is the um, objective. Next, coming to the organization. So what does organization means? In management we have to study about organization. Next, who are managers? So first of all, what is organization? Organization can be defined as a deliberate arrangement of people to accomplish some specific purpose. Okay, so organization means a pooling of the people, arrangement of the people in order to achieve the goals of the organization, in order to accomplish some specific purpose or specific goals. Okay, and what were the characteristics of the organization? So what are the characteristics or features of organization means? Goals, people, structure. Okay, so these are the three characteristics that are involved in the organization. First one is distinct goals or distinct purpose. We can say that goal or purpose. Distinct goal or distinct purpose. So every organization has its own goals, has their own purposes. Depending upon that, they will make their strategies in order to achieve their goals of the organization. So each and every organization will have certain goals or will have certain purposes, but those goals will be distinct. Distinct in the sense different. Okay, so distinct goals or distinct purpose is the first characteristics of the organization. Coming to the next one, people. So people will be involved in each and every organization. Without people, organization cannot be run. Okay, next, coming to the structure. So structure means, we can say it as a deliberate structure. Structure in the sense, the levels of the management. In management, there is a organization structure which is known as top level, middle level, lower level management. So this is known as the structure or the levels of management. Top level management will perform some type of functions, performing some type of functions like decision making. Okay, policies making, procedures making, Next, coming to middle level persons, they have their own functions. They look after the foremen or line managers, that is the lower level managers. And coming to the lower level managers, they will see them look after the non-managerial employees, how they are working. So structure means the levels of management that are involved in the organization. So these are three characteristics of organization. Organizations have two types of employees, namely managerial and non-managerial employees. Okay, so who are managers and who are non-managerial employees. First of all, who is a manager means manager is someone who coordinates and oversees the work of other people so that organizational goals can be accomplished. Okay, he is the main person who coordinates and who oversees work of each and every employee in the organization. Why? Because in order to achieve the organizational goals, in order to accomplish the organizational goals, this manager will coordinate. Okay, so managerial employees or manager means they are the individuals who direct the activities of others in the organization. For example, district manager, division manager, all these are known as managerial employees. Why we have to hire managers, or why managers are important means organizations need their managerial skills and abilities more than ever in these uncertain, complex and chaotic times. A manager should be there in each and every organization. They have distinct skills and abilities. So um, in order to sustain in the market, in order to compete with the competitors, we should hire the skillful managers who are having managerial skills and abilities. Because in present situation, the world is uncertain, the market is complex, and there are arising chaotic times. So that is why managers are very important for organization. And as these managers have the managerial skills and abilities, they are very crucial, or they are very critical in getting things done. Okay, the quality of the employees or supervisor relationship is the most important variable in productivity and loyalty. So managers are important means why? Because means the relationship between the employees and the supervisors will be more important variable in terms of productivity and loyalty. Now coming to uh, non-managerial employees. Who are non-managerial employees? Non-managerial employees are the people who work directly on a job or task and have no responsibility for overseeing the work of others. Okay? Managers will oversee the activities of others. But here, non-managerial employees they will not oversee the activities or the work of others. They have no responsibility with others' work, but they are responsible to their work only. Okay, so